Hi there, welcome back to another video right here in the shed with Bolton Trinity Road, and we thought we'd finish off the little series we did quite a while ago, which was the how to build model railway bridges, and we covered building the Orlando Street Bridge and the Trinity Street Bridge, but this has never been quite finished, and it's really, the underside was always quite bare, and you've probably seen it in some of our trains going by videos, that you can really see that the underside of this is just made of balsa wood, and it's been bugging me for a long time, so I thought let's finally get around to do it. So I'll show you what I've done here, and this really does finish things off nicely. So first of all, we're going to remove the vehicles from the roadway, because we need to turn this all upside down. And don't forget these two around here. Of course this removes as well to allow us to unplug the lights. Just move these forwards and then lift the whole bridge out. Of course it's very light because it's made of balsa wood. But on the underside, whereas before, and if you look back through the videos, you'll see when I've shown the underside of this that it's just the bare card and balsa wood. What I've done is I made up a very thin wash of what's actually bitumen paint and white spirit. In fact, I didn't really make it up so much as I just cleaned my paintbrushes in it, and it's what you end up with is this sort of black ink-like substance, and it makes it very easy to paint on, and it kind of soaks the large area very quickly. We've got the wiring here for the lights for underneath, and we've painted the wires a bit, but just make sure that you keep the paint away from the bulbs, because you don't really want them to go completely opaque, otherwise there's no point in having them. But we can see it darkens everything right down. You don't have to be neat, and you can see when it's exposed to the cruel light here like this, you can see the brush marks, you can see that it's just slapped on, but it doesn't matter, because when it's in place and you're viewing it sort of with obscured angles and from a very low angle, you're not going to see any of these brush marks. It just removes that brilliant sandy white colour of the bare balsa wood. So let's get this back in place now. I must admit, making this removable is a very big must, because as you can see underneath, we've obviously talked about this before, the complicated track work just means we're getting there and clean stuff. And we did have a problem with the double slip. I've had to actually manufacture a new tie bar. So being able to remove this has helped so much, because that has actually had to be off the layout. But we're going to slot this back in. Just fits back in there like that. Connect the lights back up, and then if you have a look underneath at a low angle, you should see that what we're actually seeing is just dark, and that's what we want, because underneath a real bridge it would be dark and mucky and horrible, and it certainly wouldn't look like bare balsa wood. So there you have it, a quick, simple way of improving the look of the underside of the bridges on your layout. That means if you do low-level photography or filming, or even just like to get your head down on the layout and see everything from eye level, it just makes them look all that much better. So there you are. Don't forget to like this video, share it too. You know the routine. Yes, you do. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.